Hi everybody! It's time to document week 4 with the Scrap Kit adventure from Document Life Stories. I'm starting with this picture from my new shoes, and as you can see I'm rummaging through the labels to find a good one, and I'm going through the silicone word strips and deciding on using the one that says warm and cozy because that fits very well with the shoes. I just stick it to the label with some double-sided tape and adding the label to the photo, and that's that. I'm going to make my week card in this 3x4 pocket, and I'm using one of the journaling cards from the kit. I want to add something more, so I'm going through the design papers that came with the kit, and I picked one that I'm going to use throughout the whole spread. I'm cutting off a strip from this paper and I'm adding it to the card. Then I'm going through the girls that came in the embellishments and I'm picking one to add to the card. When I've decided which one I'm using, I'm coloring in her hair and I'm adding her to the card. I'm using a bit of foam tape to raise the girl a tiny bit so that she lies flat with the strip of paper that I added to the card. To write out week 4 on the card, I'm using the alpha stickers that also came with the kit. They're white with a tiny bit of aqua stripe on them, so they fit well with the rest. And that's this card finished. The next photo is one that shows the state of my desk after a fun crafting afternoon. And all I'm doing to this photo is adding another strip of the same design paper that I used on the week card as well, just making it as wide as the photo itself. And then I'm adding this label that says love. And that's really all I'm adding to the photo. I didn't really have a lot of photos for this week, but Facebook showed me a memory from 2015 and I really wanted to add those photos to my album now. For the first photo, I'm going through the labels to see what will work, and I end up using one that says today. I'm going through the other labels and through the embellishments to add something to the label, and I end up using this word strip that says document this. It fits perfectly in the gap on the label. The second photo that I want to document from this memory is a map with the check-in to the cinema where we went, but as you can see, the photo is not as big as the pocket. So I'm taking the design paper that I used on the other photos as well, and I'm cutting out a 3x4 card. I'm gluing the photo with the map right on there so that it's sort of in the middle. And to finish it off, I'm adding this heart to the bottom right corner because there's a gap there where it fits perfectly. On the other side of this insert, there's one more photo. This one is from after we came out of the cinema, and all I'm adding to this is another strip of that same design paper. Then I'm taking the alpha stickers and I'm sticking down 2015 to make it really clear which year this was. I still had this quote card that says life is better with friends in my stash, and it worked so well for this insert that I decided to use it. To make it feel part of the rest of the spread, I take another strip of the design paper that I used throughout and I'm adding it to the card. And that's really all that I'm doing to this card. The right side of this week is a scrapbook layout I made off camera, documenting my haircut. Would you like to see videos of me making these kind of layouts as well, or do you think I should stick with the Project Life videos? Let me know in the comments down below. For now, thank you very much for watching. Please give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to check out my Instagram for more inspiration. See you in the next video. Bye!